welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show how to make a floral hat. Start to crochet with make chains. Make a slip knot and chaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Make 5 chains. Go into first chain, slip stitch, 1, 2, 1, 2 more chain. We have 4 chains in first stitch. Yarn over, make 1 double crochet, make 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and repeat this for 9 times. Hide the thread tail under a stitch. In first row we have 10 stitches. Slip knot, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, go into first stitch, make a double crochet, 2 chains, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet stitch, make 2 chains, go to next stitch, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, go into next stitch, 1 double crochet, and continue. In second row we have 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, 1 double crochet in 1 stitch, totally 15 stitches. Slip knot, make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, make 1 double crochet in first stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, go into next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, next stitch, 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, 1, 2 chains, 1 more double crochet, 2 chains, and 1 double crochet. Totally 20 stitches in this row. Slip knot, make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, make 1 double crochet in first stitch, 2 chains, 1, 2 chains, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, go in next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, go into next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, go into next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, and continue. For the last row of top part of the hat, slip stitch, 1 2 3 4 chains, 1 double crochet, and 4 more stitches. Crochet 1 2 3 4 stitches. But if you want to make a bigger hat, continue crochet this part by increasing the stitch for next rows. Slip knot and chaining, 1 2 3 4 chains, going to next stitch, yarn over, make 1 double crochet in 1 stitch, 2 chains, 1 double crochet in 1 stitch, 2 chains, 1 double crochet in next stitch, and continue 1 double crochet in each stitch for more rows. Four chains, 1 double crochet in first stitch, go into next stitch, yarn over, 1 double crochet in next stitch, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet in this stitch. Repeat this for 3 rows. Make 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, slip stitch, go into ring, bring yarn, make a single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, make 10 single crochet in this ring. Slip stitch, 1 chain, 2 chain, 3 chain, yarn over, one double crochet, yarn over, go into next stitch, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, slip stitch, slip stitch and go into next stitch, go into next stitch, slip stitch, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet and 3 chains, 1 2 3 chains, slip stitch and repeat this. Make 10 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 is the chain, 1 2 3 4 5 more chains, slip stitch and continue as here for make another flowers.